This report focused on evidence of human rights abuse in Manipur, one of India's remote northeastern state. It described how the Naga tribal villagers in and around Oinam were arbitrarily detained in appalling conditions, how women were raped, and how hundreds of villagers were beaten or otherwise tortured by members of Assam Rifles, a special security force operating in the area. Several torture victims were disabled and had to be supported while giving testimony of torture in court. Some were given electric shocks. The torture victims include several dozen children. There is strong evidence suggesting that at least 11 and possibly 15 men, including a 65-year-old village elder, were tortured and illegally executed by members of the Assam Rifles. The Assam Rifles claimed that they were killed in encounters or while trying to escape, and that one man committed suicide.